We are back in Malaysia, and if there's one thing we're super excited for, it's the food. Last time we were here, we couldn't get enough of the street food scene, and we've been dreaming about it ever since.
It's like overload, it's all falling out. Right, you go for it.
This is my one.
Beef.
Let's go.
So we're back and ready to indulge in all the delicious new dishes we missed out on last time, as well as the old favourites. So get ready to join us on a culinary adventure you won't forget.
So we've arrived here at Petaling Street. We've actually been here before last year, and it looks completely different. Like the layout is so different now. But anyway, let's get some food. I'm hungry now.
I've been Googling and I've got a list of things that we should be able to find here that we didn't try last time. So I'm excited. Let's go and find our first treat.
So what is it? Peanuts and then...
rice cake with peanuts.
And then that's the... Oh, is that the peanuts?
Yeah.
And then what's the black one?
Black sesame sauce. So we seem to be in like the Chinatown bit of it, and I think this is Chinese. It's basically glutinous rice in these sticky balls with peanuts over them. It's very wobbly. Really good.
Is it good? Oh, it's good to check that.
Really strong peanut taste, but I love peanuts. Good.
That's nice. It's not like very strong peanutty taste. It's like it's got a little bit of sweetness to it, doesn't it? But when you start, you just can't stop.
Try this. It's so good.
All right, so that mochi was nice, but I saw this one here. It's like inside a banana leaf. I wonder what it is. Hiya, what's this?
Dumpling.
Sorry?
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Yeah.
We
Ah.
can try.
Is it not dumpling and sticky rice?
Yeah.
Ooh. Can I try? Can I buy one? The one with bean paste. Red bean paste, yes. Bring it. So it's this one, guys. So it's a dumplings with red bean paste. This one again.
Inside sticky rice.
Inside sticky rice. Terima kasih. So it's basically just like this, look. It's like suman or something.
Red bean paste. We've only ever had that in Japan, I think.
Ooh, look at that. It's quite sticky.
I wasn't expecting it to be yellow.
No.
Go.
That's the red bean there. Okay. Mmm.
Nice.
Very nice. Mmm. Right. It's not too sweet as well, it's just perfect. And then the red bean taste, it's very subtle, the red bean. Mmm, look at that, it's a lot in the middle.
It looks like chocolate. Very good. The red bean is quite rough on the tongue, but good. I like it. Taste-wise, really good.
Nice.
Nice.
And for one of that, it's only 3 ringgit.
Not
So-
even a pound.
Not even a pound. Definitely worth it. So last time we were here, we had this pancakes which is made by this old man. He's been here for years. Like 20, 30 years? I can't remember. 50 years? But anyway, let's gonna give it a go again. Hello. Oh. There's that one there.
Yeah, pancake.
Mm.
Pancake.
Peanut pancakes.
Yes, yes. Khâu danh. Khâu danh. Dạ, chắc còn nhỏ đầu tư dọn.
Thank you.
160.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, thank you.
Terima kasih. All right, let's give this a go.
This was like one of our favourites
Yeah.
last time, so we
So-
had to visit him again.
So he's been here for 40 years. Imagine, on the same stall here, 40 years.
And he makes a lot.
Yeah. And it's only 1 ringgit 60. So let's give this a go. Like, look, it's very moist in the inside, and then it's got chicken. It's got peanuts as well in the middle.
Okay.
Still as good as last time. It's like a very moist pancake. And then you get the peanut there. Very subtle again. I think Malaysians love the peanuts, don't they?
Okay, so this was definitely one of our favorites last time, so let's see if this is good. Oh, whoa.
Nah.
After 40 years, he's definitely perfected the recipe. It's perfect, honestly. So good. It's almost like jelly in the middle. It's not, but
Yum.
10 out of 10. Yum. Okay, so one of the things I found online is that you have to try the duck here. So we've ordered some duck. We're almost in some kind of food court. We're getting hassled quite a lot, to be honest.
You're good.
I'm not one to normally get duck, but actually I quite like that. And the rice is really nice as well.
What's the flavour of the rice? It looks very puffy.
It's similar to, I don't know, it's really subtle, but it's really nice rice. But this duck is way better than I expected. Oh, spicy. No, really spicy. Oh my god. Hello.
Alright, so I've got the skin here. So Zoe doesn't eat the skin, so.
Nice.
Very nice.
Try the sauce.
This one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Spicy, no?
It's so nice though. Even just the skin tastes so nice.
It's got like a really sweet taste to it.
Yeah. It's like the gravy that they put on top of it as well. It's very tender. It's not hard. And it just like, it kind of melts in your mouth. Alright, so we just ordered a chicken clay pot with rice, and it's cooked in a clay pot. It's still steaming. It smells amazing today. I think it's just like this rice with chicken, soy sauce, and then spring onions.
But we've never had anything cooked in a clay pot before, so this is going to be super interesting. I can't wait. Let's go. Wow.
For 13 ringgit, this is actually so much. Look at that. It's still smoking. Oh my god.
Too hot? Oh no. Oh, you mix it.
So they've just saw us. They've just seen me eating it without mixing it.
I don't know what it is, but every time we do street foods, we never think to mix things. And then we always get told in the comments, mix. So I don't know how we haven't learned that by now, that you should just mix everything.
But yeah, this is nice. Basically soy sauce on the rice and loads of spring onions, and then the chicken. The chicken is so nice. It's so like juicy, it's not dry whatsoever. And the rice, oh.
Good rice?
Good rice.
Let's give it a go. I'll try the rice next time first. I don't know why, but I expected it to be like smoky because there was so much fire and things. It's actually not.
It's nice, right?
Really good.
What do you think of the chicken?
Very soft. Almost too soft. Did you find that?
Look at that.
It's definitely cooked. Definitely cooked, but I've never had chicken that just like, there's no even chew to it.
It's like it's steamed.
Maybe because it's been steamed, yeah. It's just really, that's not like the normal texture of chicken. Do you know what I mean? Really tasty there. And a massive portion size.
Look at the size of that.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we have changed location now. We are now here at Jalan Alor. Food literally smells amazing, guys. And it's so livelier here. Alright, so I don't know what's going on, but we're just having a water party. Look at that. Alright, so I bought a fried durian. It smells actually quite nice, you know? It smells like donuts, but it's durian, so let's give it a go.
Oh, that was a big bite. No? No?
No. Can't do that. Oh my god. I thought it'd be harder, but it's all like, it's all liquid. Look at that.
Oh.
Like, I couldn't smell the durian earlier, but when I took a bite, oh my god, it stunk. Nah, I ain't having that. Alright guys, so we actually came here at Jalan Alor for one thing only, is to try the Rambly Burger again and to do it properly. So, we're in the hunt now for a Rambly Burger. Let's go, let's go.
One of the good things about Jalan Alor is that it's so many different variety of food, like from every country. You can get things from like Korean, Japanese, Thai, Malaysian, literally everything is here. But it is a little bit more expensive and pricey than other places. So although we're gonna get a few things here, we might go to one of the back streets to get more of a local meal for dinner a little bit later.
A few minutes later.
Have a Rambly Burger.
Yeah.
Is it the, have you got, is it special? Yeah, Rambly Burger special.
Oh, you want Rambly Burger special?
Yeah.
Beef or chicken?
Chicken, please.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Seasoning.
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 So, Rambly Burger is basically, they've got their own Rambly patty, and then you toast the bun, put it on the side, cover up the patty with the egg, and then put loads of sauce in, lettuce, cabbage, cheese, loads of salad, and then more sauce, and this is what you get. Look at that.
So last time that we had the Rambly Burger, I had the chicken and Zah had the beef. So we've got chicken again.
Eating.
Wait, you're already making the first mistake. So last time you all told us that when we said it was so messy and the messiest burger ever, you were like, you're meant to eat it in the wrapper. So we're rectifying ourselves. We also could not find the Rambly Burger. This time we found it so quick because we knew the location this time in Jalan Alor. So let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Alright.
Good as you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Better?
Lots of flavour. We got the sweet and sour sauce there, the ketchup, the mayonnaise, and then the cheese as well. Oh.
Sedap.
Sedap.
Sedap. Sedap burger. Sedap Rambly Burger. It's so hard to eat it with the wrapper though.
So now you're eating with your hands as well.
Ah.
Okay, guys, let's go. The sauce. It's so saucy, but I love it. Everything just works so well. Even the bread, because there's so much sauce, it kind of just melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
Tasty though,
so
really nice.
And it's very moist, isn't it? Look at that. It's not as messy as what it was last time we ate it. to be fair. But
Are you sure?
no, it's not that messy. This is one of the main thing I really wanted to do when we're back in KL. And Rambly Burger is just amazing, guys. I love it.
20 minutes later.
So we've come to a local restaurant called Sarita, and we've ordered some things that we've not had before. So we've ordered something called a tissue, roti tissue. Apparently it comes with the sauce, so I'm excited to try that, and it looks like this massive upside down cone. We've also ordered 2 cheese naans that comes as like a set with the sauce as well, so super excited for that. And we've also got 2, we'd call it iced Milo, but we've realised here that everyone says it the other way around to what we would. They say Milo ice, so we've also got 2 Milo ice, which is really big here and really, it's a favourite. So yeah, excited for our food. And this is like super local, and I love it. Like there's so many locals here, that means it's good.
Look at that.
I don't really know what to do. You just came and said hold it, don't let go. And now I'm like, how do I eat?
So this is our roti tissue, and then we've got the 2 cheese naan here, and then the roti tissue as well, that comes with a sauce. I'm not sure what sauce this is.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
But if I let go, it will fall.
It's like the leaning Eiffel Tower.
Or Tower of Pisa. I feel like we have to eat this first because it's going to fall down otherwise. Sorry. It's very crispy. Oh. It's more like a French. Right, let's try the sauce. The sauce is really strange. It's like
It's condensed milk.
milky. It's just
Condensed
good.
milk.
Is this meant to be dessert?
Hell.
I was expecting like a curry sauce, but this is like sweet. I feel like this is supposed to be eaten after, like the dessert. It's good though. Very crispy.
Nice. The condensed milk.
Very sugary, but I'm all for it. You can actually see like all the sugar on the inside.
I think we meant to eat this last.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have our cheese naan now that the tower's down. That's why he was confused. The sauce, he brought ketchup and he was looking very confused as to whether we wanted ketchup or not. I think that's why he was confused.
But anyway, look how cheesy that is. Oh my god.
Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, don't drop it.
We've got the sauce here. Oh, it's quite a thick sauce actually.
Ooh. I love a big, thick bit of naan.
The sauce is so nice, right?
Yeah. Very different to all the other sauces we've tried here in Malaysia so far. I think it's similar to a dal.
It's like chickpeas.
Let's try the green. I think there's garlic.
You think?
This is the sauces, by the way.
I am full.
I'm so full, I feel sick. Especially like that roti tissue just topped us off. There's so many different types of roti. That's the first sweet one we've actually had. It all came to 24 ringgit, which is around £4.50, something like that, which is so good considering we got drinks, both got a main, and then obviously the dessert by accident as well. So that's so good. But yeah, we've had such a good day trying all the things that we didn't try last time at Petaling Street. There's still some things that we didn't manage to find, so we'll just have to come back and try them again.
The thing is that you can only eat
so much.
so much, yeah.
And then we've obviously tried the Rambly Burger again, which was also a really good experience. Zara tried some durian.
God, that was disgusting. Never again.
Wasn't a good experience.
I completely forgot how disgusting they were.
So yeah, we've had a great time. We absolutely love Malaysian food, and I'm sure we'll be back again to try lots more. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a like, give us a comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.